Okay, so I want to explain to you two types of spinal positions when you're doing your exercises during Pilates, so you understand what I'm talking about when I say neutral spine or imprinted spine. So neutral spine is where your spine is completely relaxed. When you're lying on your back, you have a natural arch under your lower back. And imprinted spine is where you flatten that space underneath your back against the floor using your abdominals to do that. So let's just have a practice now. I want you to lie on your back with your feet hip width distance apart, arms by your sides. Now that should be neutral spine at the moment. So if you felt underneath your kidneys, you'd feel a nice natural arch there. If you want to, you can put a diamond shape. You can put your pad of your thumbs on your hip bones, and you can put your fingers together and your thumbs together, and that should be parallel to the floor like that. That should be neutral spine. Tailbone on the floor, nice and comfortable like that. Now, if you go into imprinted spine, you want to scoop your abdominals in and flatten that space there, but make sure your tailbone is still on the floor. So that's imprinted spine, and they're the two positions we'll be looking at during all the exercises as well. You want to make sure your shoulder blades are back and down, so they're not doing that. Good. And your head should be straight with your chin tucked in. Good. And lengthened through your neck. So that's the two spinal positions. And as I said, all the exercise, you want to keep your shoulder blades back and down. So enjoy it.